Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how you can register your KRA PIN for the company. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to type iTax on your browser, and then it will bring you here where you'll be required to come here to where they have written new PIN registration, and then you click there. Then here you will select none in the video, and then here you select online application. Of course you're applying online, then you click next. So here you will be required to answer these sheets. These fields are supposed to be answered, and they are supposed to be answered correctly. So once you are here, they have said business type, you come and click there where they have said select, then you click company. Then there's somewhere they have said business registration certificate number, you put there the business certificate number, and then you come here to business sub type, you select here, then you say private company if you are registering for private company. Then you come here and you put business name of the business here in this field. Then you come here to business registration date, you put according to how your certificate is reading. Then you come here to business commencement date, you put it there, and then accounting period end month, you just select there, and then you put the month accordingly. So once that is done, you are supposed to come here to, do you wish to declare legal representative? If you want to declare legal representative, you just come and select there, you say yes. If you don't want, you just say no. And here you will continue to this question where they have said that does your business have any branches? If it does, you just say yes, where you'll be able to list those branches. If it does not, you just say no. And then you come here to principal physical address, where you'll be required to enter the street in which your business is located, the county, building, the city or town, district, and then the tax area locality, you just put it there. And you continue. Here you just put the principal postal address. If the company has a postal address, put there, and the postal code of that particular town. And then you come here to the email. You can put the email of the company here, and then put the telephone number. So you come here, you continue to this question where they have said, do you have an alternative address? If you have, you just say yes. If you don't have, you just say no. And then you continue to this where they have said, is the company you are registering a subsidiary company? You come there, you say yes if it is a subsidiary. If no, you just say no. And then you come here to, do you wish to declare your bank account for tax refunds? If you have paid tax in excess and you want to declare your bank accounts for the returns, for the refund, you will come and then you select yes, where you will be required to enter the details of your bank. So you will continue down here, and now we have reached where you have to fill the purpose of that business, the section in which your business belongs. So you will come here where they have said fill the list sector of the economy in which you are involved. So you will come and choose if it is construction or digital economy, or you have to come and choose. You go down here and you choose where your business is basing. So I'll go with construction. So here you come and choose the group in which it belongs. If it is primary, you just say primary, and then from there you come and do what? You add. You see, once you click add, it will add itself down there, and you will now continue to this question where they have said, was your business formed as a result of acquisition or amalgamation? If it is not formed as a result of acquisition or amalgamation, you just say no. And then here, they require you to upload the supporting document. And here in the supporting document, just upload the business registration certificate or the business permit which you have used to register for this KRA PIN. Just upload it here, and then you click next to continue. Click there, next to continue, or you can just scroll up here, just scroll like this, and then you click on obligation. So here you will come here to where they have said income tax. You just click there, and then you choose the period in which you are applying for this KRA PIN. So you choose, and then after doing that, which means you are supposed to come here to director of associate, and in this director of associate you are supposed to choose. You come here to nature of association. Is it business associate? Is it directorship? Is it partnership or other? If it is other, you just click other, and then you specify. So if it is director, you just say director. If it is associate, you just put associate. But now here, the person in association, you are supposed to put the KRA PIN there. Then you indicate the ratio of sharing. Then from there, once you click anywhere in a space and then you add, all those people will be added down there. And once you are done, you have listed like 3 people depending on the association of that business. So you will be required to come here to agent details, and then here you will not do anything much, but you will just come here to calculate these figures they are giving you down here. You just put it there, and then you submit. So once you submit, it means that they will give you acknowledgement receipt, meaning that you have applied for company KRA PIN. And with the company KRA PIN, does not come immediately like personal KRA PIN. For company KRA PIN can take even up to 2 weeks. If it comes faster, it will be like 1 week to reflect in your email address that you have used to register for this PIN. So this is how you can do, and you can be able to acquire your company KRA PIN. And that email that you have given, they will be able to communicate to you in case of any changes or something that they want you to change. They'll also communicate in that email address that you have provided. So make sure that you give out the correct email address, and that email address will be used to communicate with you in case of anything. So guys, this is just how you can apply for company KRA PIN, and then you will be able to be given. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.